into his terrain as National Commissioner. So you having been the National Commissioner and also a Minister of Police, I think you are better placed to actually have a better understanding of exactly what was happening here. So that is in that context that I'm asking this kind of a question, Ndos.
Well, if it were me, as a National Commissioner receiving this letter, without really being arrogant and pompous about it, I would have said, stay on your lane, Minister. That can happen. I would have said so.
Then
If I would really want to be modest, I would have said, can we have a discussion on the matter and privately tell him to stay on his lane or her lane?
So that's Bekele there, revealing how he was going to deal with Senzo Mchunu if he had written the letter to try and disband the PKTT. So Bekele is making it very, very clear and straightforward, that he was just going to tell Senzo Mchunu in his face, to be like, stay in your lane. This is not your business, you are not involved here. So these are some of the things that people have been talking about, especially with Fanny Masemula. People have been saying Fanny Masemula is soft. Fanny Masemula, he just accepts these things as they are, and to some extent it's true. Fanny Masemula is this kind of a soft side that he has, and it could be maybe the reason why he gets taken advantage of, because he is quiet. I think so. Even when he came to testify, he didn't even reveal much. He was the guy who was sort of like trying not to disappoint anyone, trying to be neutral, trying to please everyone. So basically, that's who Fanny Masemula is. But here you have Bekele, a guy who tells you straight in your face, that no, this has to do with me, stay in your lane. And because of this is why so many people, are calling for General Mkhwanazi to be made the National Commissioner, or Dumisani Khumalo, because those two guys, they are very firm, when it comes to their decisions, and they do not allow anybody to just run them over like that. So that's Bekele, is a member of the ANC. He is showing, his own fellow comrade no mercy here, because he's just, being honest with himself. He is not trying to save Senzo Mchunu here. He is just speaking, what he would have done. And I'm really surprised, as to what has made Bekele, to come out and be so open, and reveal everything like this. It's like he has been told something to reveal everything, and because of that, Bekele is turned into a favorite of everyone out there, because people were against this guy. But just from the very first day when he started speaking, everybody quickly went on his side. I mean, that's how quickly these things can change. I'll catch you guys on the next one.